In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create an AI UGC image. So first of all, we need to go to novoads AI, and here you need to create an account. After that, you will arrive here, and here we need to go to the See More section. Now we have to click in this tool, Image to Product Add, and now we have to click here where it says Choose Styles. Now here we have to click where it says With a Person, and now for this product, I prefer holding and a man. Well, I forgot, we have to click here and upload the image of our product, that in this case is going to be a protein. Now we can add some text, and here be careful because we have to change the language to English. Finally, we have to click here, and now we have to wait more or less 1 minute. Perfect, here we have the image, and as you can see, the result is really good. So if you want to do images like this one, you can try novoads AI for just $1. And well, I recommend you to try it. As I said, it's just $1. So well, after saying that, if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section and see you in the next video.